My name's Damien, I'm 48 years of age, I'm in my home bar here, and I'm going to leave a review for the Smile Hair Clinic in Turkey. So, yep, can't fault this clinic in the slightest. I looked them up, I looked at a few companies in Turkey, and there's such a minefield, lots of companies to choose from. This company stood out a mile. The attention to detail, the response I got within 30 minutes, I had excellent communication. I sent off some photographs. I had a few strands of hair at the front and I was wondering what can they do, and they recommended a 2-part procedure where we're gonna go back in 6 months time and get the back done, the crown, etc. So yeah, I can't fault it. We went over there. The package was to stay in a luxurious hotel, such a smooth procedure, picked up from the airport, taken to the hotel, luxury 5-star hotel in Istanbul, picked up in the morning, 6 other guys in the same sort of situation as me, into the clinic, and very, very welcoming, very relaxing, superb clinic, modern, clean, couldn't fault it in any way whatsoever. So we had the procedure done. I stayed an extra day and they took off the bandages and they washed it all for me, and absolutely superb results so far. So it's looking good. I'm going to go back in 6 months time. So you guys out there who want to get a hair transplant, then look up the Smile Hair Clinic, because I think they are, if not the best, one of the best in Turkey. So, and it's very reasonable, and if you want a safe procedure, and that's the one to go for. Okay guys, all the best. Cheers.